So, want to make posts and want to make a lot of money? Well, this video is for you. I'm going to lay out step by step what do you have to do, so let's go with it. Hit subscribe and let's go. All these Instagram theme pages, they all need posts. All these YouTube videos, they all need thumbnails. Now, when you see this number of followers, well, it looks nice, right? But it is this number that makes this number, okay? So the more posts you make, the more followers you will get, and of course, the more money you will get. But all of these people that own these like Instagram pages, all of these theme pages, they don't have a lot of time to make these posts, okay? So what they do, well, they hire someone. They go to Upwork and they hire someone. They go to Fiverr, for example, and for example, just take a look at this girl. She is making $300 in 15 days, okay? And she only makes 10 posts in those 15 days. So 15 days, 10 posts, $300. Just do the math and try to imagine if she has like 5-6 clients, how much money she is making. Well, that's a lot of money, trust me. But the thing that this girl is doing, she is doing it manually, all right? But with this tool, which is called Microsoft Designer, you don't have to move a finger. This is an AI tool, a brand new tool that not a lot of people are using right now. So you can be one of the first ones. You can be one of the first ones to start making money with this because it's an easy process. All you have to do is to make a prompt. Well, this is something like a combination of ChatGPT plus Canva.com, but Canva.com, you have to work. You have to drag and drop. You have to make a lot of ideas. But just take a look at this. Whatever you type in here, they will give you an idea. So, for example, let's say that your customer on Fiverr or wherever, they just want to make certain posts. So they are in the fitness niche, let's say. So we can just type in woman running with a bottle in her hands, and you can just like do it like this: fitness, healthy, and some of those keywords which all of the people are using, and click on the generate button. It is going to take a minute or two, but you don't have to work for it, okay? It is going to make on its own, and then you just have to customize it a bit and you get the money for it. So that's a cool product, that's a cool process that you can involve yourself into. Just take a look at this. You will get a lot of these, all right? You will get a lot of these, and then you just have to choose with which one you want to start with. Okay, so I don't know, maybe we can choose this one. You click on it, you click on customize this design, and then you can make some suggestions. You can just, for example, you can lower this down, you can just move this around, you can just move it like here, you can move this text, you can whatever, and then if you just head over to the visuals, they will just give you some recommended designs for this design. Okay, so if you click on show more, AI tool knows what you need, all right? So it will give you all of these, it will give you all of these relevant to your design, and you don't have to do a lot. But just take a look at this. If you work for a brand, if you work for a certain Instagram page, you can save your brand kit, okay? So for example, you can just do it with these colors because that's what people are doing. If we go back to this girl and we see what she is doing, just take a look at this. She is doing the exact same thing. So she is working for a certain channel on Instagram and she is making these posts. But let's be honest, guys, anyone can do this, okay? Whoever does this can make money with it. And of course, you can make a lot of money because a lot of people are making a lot of money with this one as well. So I don't know what is stopping you from achieving this as well, guys. And just take a look at these standard packages: $475, $725. I mean, that is just crazy amount of money what these people are making. And trust me, all of these, they need it. They need someone. They hire people. They don't have time to make these posts each day. They just own the channels, okay? So every channel is working like this. Every channel, even those most successful ones. And of course, you need a lot of thumbnails for YouTube, okay? So you need thumbnails in order to get a lot of views. So these people are hiring people as well to make those thumbnails. And you can do that as well in Microsoft Designer, okay? So a lot of people are doing it already, but not with this tool, okay? This is a brand new tool. It is free. You can use it in whichever whichever way you want, and of course you can make a lot of money with it, okay? Now, if you are like ambitious enough, you can do it yourself. You can start your own Instagram page, and these people have to hire someone, but you don't have to at the beginning. You can work yourself. But trust me, all that you need is high number of posts. Okay, so you have to post at least 4 per day if you want to rank up high. If you are just starting out, just deliver 4 of these per day to yourself and you will see money running in quickly. Okay, because Instagram is full of money. All these people, they want to sell shout outs, okay? So for example, when you click on something, you will have a shout out and a lot of people are going to pay for that. So for example, they will give you $100 for a shout out if you have a lot of followers, because that way they know they will get the audience. And today, if you have an audience, if you have a lot of attention, well, that's a probability that you are making money, my friend, because today we live in a world that attention is everything, okay? The more attention you grab, the more money you can get for yourself. So if you want to make an Instagram theme page, whichever one that is, it can be a travel niche, it can be fitness niche, it can be, I don't know, motivational niche, whatever you want, you can do it. You just have to work for it, all right? But it doesn't have to be a hard work anymore because we have a lot of these AI tools. And Designer from Microsoft has a Copilot and has AI top-notch. Okay, so you can do a lot of things. You can, of course, import from this device, from your computer. You can maybe have some brand on your own. You can do a lot of great things with this one. And if you don't want to do that, you can involve yourself into some print on demand. Let's say, for example, you want to involve yourself into some print on demand. If you don't know what that is, well, basically, these guys at Printful.com, they will print your design on a t-shirt, on a backpack, on a cap, on whatever you want, okay? On a phone case and even on a mug. So, for example, you will pay $7 for a mug and you can sell it for $11. But the sweet thing about this one, you don't have to pay $7 until you make a sale, okay? So when you make a sale, when you get $11 from your customer, then you will send $7 and they will print that out on your mug and they will ship the mug, they will package the mug and they will send that to your customer and they will deal with the customer service. So that is a totally beginner-friendly strategy for anyone. You don't have to make any investment at all. So for example, go with the hoodie. You will just get, I don't know, whatever the price, you name it, okay? You name the price. So, for example, $41, you will pay $21 for the making, okay? So, for the whole fulfillment, you will pay $21 and you will make $41 on top of it. Okay, so $20 profit is for you. You just make a design, and of course you can use Designer. You just make a design on Microsoft, you just go new design, create something for a hoodie, you know, and then you put it on your Instagram page, you share it with your friends and family, and you get a lot of profit for selling it. Okay, so you don't have to do a lot of work, but you can make a lot of money during 1 year. Okay. You just have to start with it. You just have to take action and not be like one of those lazy guys who just watches the video and tells himself, oh my God, I can't do it. It is too hard. No, it's not too hard. It just requires some dedication, some time and investment, and that's it. Okay, so go out there, take these chances, and get that money for yourself. I'll catch you later.